Alright, how's it going? This is Tyler with GetChiliBees. We're going to be making our chili crisp. So the first thing I do is I'll bring the temperature up. It probably takes about 5 to 10 minutes. I put it on medium heat first, and I put half of the amount of oil in first. And I usually do half avocado oil, and I do half olive oil. What I'm doing here is just testing to see if the temperature is high enough. Then I'm going to pour all the ingredients in. And if you look around the edges, you can tell that that's the right temperature you want it to be at, because it's not over roasting it. But I also don't want to under roast it. So this is when you can turn the temperature down and add the rest of the olive oil. So I'll do half avocado and then half olive oil. And I'll do the avocado first because it has a higher burn point. So you can actually roast the ingredients without degrading the oil. And then I'm going to put in, so I'll do a third of a cup of olive oil and avocado oil. It's probably a little bit more than a third because I'll kind of overfill it a little bit. So now I reduce the heat. And this is what it should look like when you're done roasting it. So you can roast it at your desired temperature. So some people like it more roasted, some people like it less. So I'll simmer it on low until I know it's ready to go. Stir it as it goes, just in case it has anything settling at the bottom. Then once you get it to the right roast, if you will, you're going to turn it off and then just remove it from the heat and just let it cool down a little bit before you store it.